What's up guys, it's YouTube back with another video. And today I'm showing you this new device which I've made in stormworks, which could actually help in a lot of ways. And I basically call this device a cooling thing. Okay, it's a cooling device. Now we have three for the example. We have one that's I just set to 5, one I just set to 8, and one I just set to 7. Let's say 7 would like to call 5. What they would have to do is they'll have to go down to channel 5 and press this button. Now I don't know if you can hear that on camera. You might be able to see right in the top corner, right there, you might be able to see a light blinking. I don't know if you can hear the beeping, but basically that calls devices. And to respond, I would suggest basically so you can just see that you responded. But let's say both want to call 5. Obviously they're both going to go off. As you can see, the lights are on. Now with the whole little chat system's actually very good. Now let's say that all one's on different channel. And I just say hi. So H I. Okay, so 3 has said hi. Unfortunately, the chat is public if all devices are on. It doesn't matter what channel they're on. It's only the phone number channel. So basically, this does not mean channel. It means phone number. So let's go to 8. If I call that, let's say, oh, I've gone over 1. As you can see, it's not calling it. If I've gone under 1, it's not calling it. It has to be on the exact number for it to call. Now let's say 7 is under, we've gone 1 over. Doesn't call. You press 8, that obviously calls. Press 7. So basically you could use this for communication on ships. And let's say the public chat with people saying oh hey, like that, and then this one's hello. As you can see, they will all receive the same message because the chat is public. The only way it's going to be private is, let's say it's in a different let's say there's 3 devices in the vicinity, but 1 is off. Now let's say if we send a message 1, 3 has said 1, and it has received. And let's say 4 has said 3. As you can see there, the only time that other devices are going to be able to see of what they're sending is when they turn on their thing and they're in the vicinity of the signal range. So let's say 3 says 9. It's received it, but it's also received it. Now, if you're wondering what is the range that these devices have got, I don't know the exact range, but let's say I set a waypoint over there and I teleport over here. That is the equivalent of 1.1 kilometer, and the signal can reach all the way over there. Just to double check, yep, that is on the other side of the runway, the complete opposite side. The signal can reach all the way there. I don't know if it can reach 2 kilometers away. And now you can see we're 596 meters is what I was supposed to say. So honestly, you can use this on plane, you can use this on boat. It's even got its own little battery supply. So let's say all power goes out, but during the time this wasn't connected to the main power bit, this will have a little bit of power to work. So it doesn't require any big computer system here where it receives the messages and sends it. They all just go out and receive by each other. It's like an autonomous system, very tiny. So this is what you're looking at. You're looking at a 3 block wide and about, is that 5? I think that's a 5 block wide. And then you're looking at 5 blocks tall. So 3 blocks wide, 5 blocks long, and 5 blocks tall. It's a very tiny system. You can even take off this little glass bit if you like. So if you'd like to get this device, go on to Stormworks and search Radio Communicator by Andrew C 2021. And you should be able to find it right there. So if you like this device and you would like to see more devices like this, or maybe even better videos like challenges or anything like that, try and get this video to at least 7 to 10 likes, just so I know. AC YouTube out. Peace. Like and subscribe.